Yo, what's up, y'all? Look, you can see that I'm balding at the top, right? Looking like a landing strip. So I'm letting her cut my hair today because she thinks she's such a barber. Get on me. Don't be trying to kiss me. She's trying to kiss me because she's going to mess up my hair. I told y'all she going to fuck it up. Alright, well, anyway. We're going to see how this turn out.
Potato. So the technique I'm using is just going up like this, because this is what real barbers do. They just go up like this, you know what I'm saying? Or you can take it down if you know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? You flip it around like that.
Let me see what it looks like. Does it look bad? Tell me the truth, y'all. Look bad?
Like that, you feel me? How does this? I'm a real barber. What you acting like that for? Don't be acting like that in front of these people. This is my first hair. I got another hair to do. This is how we get down over here. Big sexy cuts. Let me know if you need a cut. You feel me? We get it in. Big sexy cuts. If you need a cut, I let your girl. I'm not doing cuts right now because we're in quarantine, but once it's over, I'm back at it. You feel me? Ain't that right, baby? Yeah. What are you doing? Getting my baby together. Am I hurting? I know I'm not because I'm a good ass barber. You feel me? So right now, we got the old man sectional. That's what I like to call it. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving you Trey Songz cut. When he first cut his hair, he looks real like Trey Songz. It's the little fuzz, but we about to go right here with it. You feel me?
Don't get too low in the ear, man.
And I got you. You need to hold your ear. He's so worried about his sideburns. I cut all that shit off. Then what?
Play with me.
See, people, y'all gotta know how to cut. See, a lot of people don't know how to cut. They don't even have the wrist right. See, I got the wrist. You gotta have the wrist right. See, y'all be doing it.
Babe. Alright, let me get mine. You done?
No, I got all this.
Oh my god, you been done forever.
No, I got it. Hold on. Let me do the ball thing. Dang, let me do me. Dang. This is why every time I try to do something for him, he always got something to say. Stop having stuff to say. Hold on, huh? Hey. You don't understand how cute his hair look right now. I'm out here doing a damn thing for my baby. You see I got the little tissue thing right there? Ooh, you know, that's how you know a girl's a real barber. What?
Man, I swear, y'all, she thinks she a real barber, though.
I am. What do it take to be a real barber? So clippers?
Some skills.
I got that. Clippers and skills, that's all you need. What you see? What am I doing right now? I'm cleaning your shit up, bro. Tell you, big sexy cuts, come fuck with it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to do my thing, shine like a star. Skills in the place, banner, you know who we are. Come night, that's Nate, you know K9. Already said my name, I just say the rhyme.